Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You did? Really? You did that? You didn't survive that? Okay.
Your blood is everywhere.
Okay. We are at chapter 2-2.
Past the station, not too far from here. Follow me.
Across the station. You follow me. I go
Yeah.
first.
Yeah. It sounds like it. There is trains here. Can't go there, so go on. Wait, stop. What is that?
Mine? Is that a mine? Blinking?
Yeah, don't shoot it.
You shoot it? Or I'm shooting it?
Okay. That's not suspicious. Oh!
I cannot see anything. Okay. It's not treasure? That's red.
Little gold. Probably more. There's another trap. More coming.
I see dogs,
Dogs.
somewhere.
Darn it.
I don't see it. Oh, shucks.
He really likes biting. I saw a mine here. I need to blow it up.
Okay, you
Yeah.
go first.
Yeah.
I cannot go too close because I don't see anything.
More. You need
Oh, shucks.
more. I'm out of here.
I cannot go round.
Up, 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 up. Zombies.
Shucks.
Just up from there. Go there.
They're
Go.
biting me, love.
Go.
It is on the way.
We can't get up here. Get the zombies.
Oh. Oh, there's something flying.
I handle it.
Oh, what's in there blinking?
Still dead.
I guess.
Okay, once the zombies and the dogs are dead and you're standing on the trains, jump over from the house where you came from. Use your sniper rifle. Look up. And you'll find number 9 in here. I can hear the dogs.
Yeah.
Just ignore them. Did you get the gold?
Yup.
No, you did not.
Where? I don't see any golds.
Here, I saw the gold.
So much dog in there.
Ignore them. We want to put them out of their misery.
Okay, go.
I saw a mine here. See gold there.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Anything else here? Yeah,
Check if there's mines.
there's one. Dying.
Oh no!
dying,
Where are you?
dying.
Did you jump?
Yeah.
I don't see jump.
Go down fast. Straight, 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 straight,
Ah,
straight, straight,
come
straight,
on,
straight,
come on,
straight,
come on,
straight,
come on, come on,
straight,
come on,
straight.
come on, come on. There. That's nuts.
Yeah, I was expecting to have that little. Yeah, wait. I need to collect myself. Almost done. Going down.
Oh, this is elevator. That's cute, elevator.
Okay, we are now in a mine.
Mine, it means there's a lot of treasure.
Hopefully. Or
Treasure.
there's a lot of flowers.
Oh, pick up lantern.
I can take it. Let me illuminate your way, madam.
Okay, lighten my way, sir.
I'm lighting your way.
Let me go first, sir. But I'm seeing my shadow,
I
sir.
think I need to go first since I have the light.
Okay. What's in here?
I think we go their way.
I cannot see. Which way?
That way.
Oh, maybe there's a treasure over
Maybe
here.
there's a flower over there.
Let's go. Oh, there is a red flower.
Woohoo! red
Woohoo!
flowers.
Oh,
The light
there's
is-
no way.
what
I
is
cannot
that,
see.
water?
Yeah, it's a water.
We need the
What?
forehead light.
Oh yeah. Let me
Flashlight.
buy some.
Let's buy some.
Okay.
I'm sure something will happen now. You can see us from a mile away coming here.
Oops.
I didn't see him die.
Oh, I'm having the wrong.
It's very dark here. It's scary.
There's one there. Love.
Yeah. I think it's the same one. There's the two. No.
Oh, he's dead. I can see his. I can see a. Oh, grenade.
Another one.
Where?
There. Sorry, I didn't. Sorry. This lamp is very frustrating. I have to press the button. Wait, what's this? Look, I found
Where?
something.
Oh yes. There's a treasure over here.
Get it.
Yep. Ruby.
But it's a mine. I hear something.
Backward.
I can't back and light.
I don't see where.
I think it comes from the right.
Backward. I don't see anything.
What are you looking? Oh yeah, I can hear you.
Don't move your light. I cannot see. Do not move your light. I cannot see.
Go back. I saw you, right. Turn around. What is that?
I don't see anything.
Flower? I think.
Oh, treasure.
No flower.
What is that? Flash grenade? So much grenades. So much flash. Oops. I picked up a wrong one.
I have to throw it away.
Okay, wait. Which one? This. Discard.
Yes.
Huh?
You have to press yes also. It's like confirmation. Do you really want to get into this?
Oh, cool.
Okay. Follow me. Huh? Okay, you want to go? Go. Don't go too far. Okay, let's see if there's any goods here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for number 10, when you reach this bridge, you see waterfall, or whatever you call it. Take your sniper rifle. Look to the left, right. Look to the right.
Oh yeah, I can see it too.
And you will have it there. I have the wrong weapon. And number 10 is right there. Boom!
Bam! Oh.
And let's continue on. There, look at that.
There.
Treasure.
Backward into oh there. Have it.
Where are you?
Wait, I need to change weapon.
It's there. Where are you? There.
Changing weapon.
Ah!
I cannot see lag. You saying? Okay, you go first and then you just backward when there's someone. Backward. Light. Backward, more backward. I didn't say anything.
I can't, you're the way. Just shoot through me.
Okay.
Okay.
There's something in there.
What is that? Where are you going?
Here?
I found something over here. Stay there.
Treasure. No more treasure.
Now I'm over here. Go over there. There's
Wow.
more treasure here now.
Yeah.
Turn around. What is that?
Someone is waiting in the dark. Where?
Here, go this way. There, to the left.
Did I hear something?
Hopefully it's just the box sound.
It feels like
Yes, I heard it too.
You heard that too.
Come back now. So you don't see anything. Do you think I see anything with this big backpack on?
I'm still here.
I see. Oh, sorry. I see something. I see the exit. Here.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
great. Oh,
This.
turn.
I'm putting a light here.
I'm turning it on. You go in first.
I'm going first.
Oops.
This fence doesn't look very nice, friendly.
What?
You need. Why are you picking up the light?
Next time, do not put the light too
I did not
close.
put the light there.
Put the lights there so that I can see. Turning it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh yeah.
You're not doing very good job. Yes. Put some elbow grease into it. Okay, I'm safe. I will help you out.
Thanks for coming.
I hear more music.
Yeah, you can go there. I can take care of myself.
No. I got flower. I'll cover you.
Where's that?
In the flower there.
No,
Is it the light? Okay, it's the
it's
light.
a light.
Alright. Stay there.
I'm waiting here. Please open it for me. Oh, I have to face this side in case.
Okay, tell me when you have gone through it.
Is it open now?
Yes.
Yep, I think. Yep.
Okay, don't go. Stay.
Okay, I'm going back here. Okay, let me look if there's a treasure here. Okay, there's nothing. What? You're so noisy. They will hear you.
Come on!
Okay. Right, wrong button. I'm investigating. Find the elevator.
Wow, you find the elevator, so cool. I'm coming to you.
Okay. Oh no, what is that?
Oh no, there's more.
Oh my gosh, there's
Oh,
ghosts.
there's a guard.
There is ghosts there.
Come on, climb up fast. Run, run, run. I'm running. Wait for me. Oh my god.
Haha, no one can see me. I'm oops,
Oh no.
in the elevator.
I'm coming. Wait for me. I'm hurt. Oh no. There I am. Bye.
We're going up again.
Wait, we didn't see any treasure in there.